This is Dwayne Mooney. How are you? Let me get a real clear picture of this. Australian US. I want to do it so you can see what I did. So you can see a clear picture. This is the hour chart right here. Let's really delve into this candlestick. Looking at the hour chart, this was clearly a trade that I made last night based on this gap right here. It's called the gap strategy. I think I got in around this area here. Well, let's see. I'm in 3 trades. I first got in at about 73.64, so around this area, right here, I got in. But I got in over here, and I was over here. And obviously it went down right here, but as you can see, it shot back up. Now it looks like the trading zone, the new trading zone, is right here. And right here. Okay, now, at some point, a gap strategy is when you make a trade and you believe the gap is going to close. Right here. This gap is going to close, so this is going to come down here. It may be a while because this looks like a trading zone. Look, came down, went up here to this resistance, then came down here. Now it's back. So what do I do in this trading zone? Well, the smart thing to do is take some profit. Boom. Because I don't know what it's going to do. It may continue to come down. Eventually it is. But when is another story. So what do I do? That's the question. So, being a trader, again, I'm going to take some profit off the table. Because, look, it's already trying to retract up. You see that retraction? It's already retracting up. So, I believe that it's going to play in this area for a while. And what I'm going to do is get back in the trade for a sell when it comes up in here. So what I'm going to do now, up in this area, and then ride it down probably to here. So what I'm going to do is take some more profit. Boom. Now I'm in one trade. It says 73.64. 73.55. Now what I'm going to do, just in case, I'm going to put my stop loss in at break even. 73. I'll put in 73. Oops. I mean, I really want to close the trade altogether because I just don't think it's going to come down. I'm going to close it. I'm going to just close all the trades. So all the trades are closed. So, because I just think it's going to come back up because that's the new trading area. And this is the way I trade. Now again, you have this gap. So sooner or later, it's going to come down. But when I get a nervous feeling or not sure, that's when I close the trade. Because I just based on what I'm saying, that's my gut feeling, my intuition coming in. Based on my trading style, I'm looking at it. I'm seeing where the trading zone is. And on the hour chart, that is the trading zone. So I expect it to come back up. Now if I look at the 4-hour chart, I can't see a trading zone. Oh, it's still there. That's the trading zone. Up here. So I believe up here is the trading zone. So I believe I'm making a good move by getting out of the positions. Based on it's hit it 1, 2, 3 times. And I just believe it's going to shoot back up. If it doesn't, if it gets on this side, I'll just trade again another day. This is what I'm saying. I don't get greedy. I don't get over emotional. My decisions are made based on my trading style. And right now, it's just not productive for me to stay in the trade. So I'm out. Made $90-something. I'm good. So I just wanted to show you that the way Dwayne Mooney trades with Forex Success Club. Get my videos at thewealthportalinc.com and learn my trading style. Peace and prosperity.